Hello, I'm Damon Bailey from IELTS Whiz. In this lesson, we will examine true, false, not given questions, and also yes, no, not given questions for the IELTS reading test.
Firstly, let's talk about the difference between these question types. In true, false, not given questions, you are deciding if the statements in the questions are true, false, or not given based on the facts in the reading passage. In yes, no, not given questions, you are deciding if the statements in the question agree with the views expressed by the writer, which is yes, or disagree with the views expressed, which is no, or if the information is not given. So let's look at some tips and strategies to use when answering this type of question. Firstly, you need to read and analyze the question statements carefully. Secondly, understand the statement and key words. Start to think about paraphrasing. How can you say things in a different way? Find keywords and paraphrasing in the text. Words like often, all, always, some, and never can completely change the meaning of the statement, so are often important. We use the same techniques for true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given questions. Answers are in order in the passage, so answer number 2 will be after answer number 1 and before answer number 3. Be clear about the meaning of no and false. No and false means the information in the passage is the opposite or contradicts the question statement. If no information about the question is in the text, the answer is not given. If the question is true, false, not given, you must not write yes, no, not given, as it would be incorrect, and also vice versa. You can write Y instead of yes, or F instead of false, but I would recommend that you write the complete word. This is true for both types of question. Now you can try an example reading exercise to practice both types of question. Download the PDF file with the reading passage and questions and try to complete the activities using the tips and strategies you've learnt in this video. When you've finished, download the answer key and check your answers. In the next reading lesson, we will look at finding information in paragraphs. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.